Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on a network lock in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option and what does it do? We need to go to Settings, Lock Screen, Security Lock Settings. This option is only visible if you have pattern, password, etc. set up as our screen lock. Our password. And here you have Lock, Network and Security. What does it do? Prevents Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. And Find My Mobile uses these connections to locate and control your phone when it's lost. It's better to have to turn it on, so so it will be a little bit more safe. By default, this option is turned on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.